Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a double stuffed balloon garland. The reason I use double stuffed balloons is because they create a unique shade and it really makes your setup stand out. With the double stuffed balloons today we're going to be using green, yellow and blue. This is the reference photo that our client has sent to us. So I had a bit of time on my hands and I thought, why don't I make a video about how I do it. To double stuff your balloons, I've seen people put the pen. I find that a bit time consuming. I personally just get it from here, roll it and have it sort of like that. Get the other balloon and it slips straight in. Once I've sort of got it, I go inside and pull it. Okay, and then that's it. I'm going to show you the difference between color shades. I've got my electric air pump here. I've got a fashion lime green and a fashion lime green inside a white Qualtex balloon. Let's see the difference. So as you can see, it turns a color like this into a gorgeous pastel green. So that's why I love using them. I'm going to go through and double stuff all of the colors that we're using and I'm going to check in for assembling.
Ten years later.
Alright guys, so we've got our balloons blown up. Obviously more than this, but I've kept them in my workspace just so they don't get too much dirt on them. So the base is obviously, we've got 45 centimeter double stuffed balloon here. And I'm going to show you how I build it from the base up. So, obviously I've got my 260s that I use. Now I recommend if you're using white balloons, use a white 260s just in case there is any gaps it doesn't show through. Now if you come down here at the base, I tie it around the quads like this in a knot and done. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it down. I know there's some dirt on it now, but we can take that off later. I've got my next quads here. I'm going to grab that here, push it up, connect it around and make it nice and tight. Okay. Push it off a bit. Now as you can see from a distance, the reason I love using 260s is that it's flexible. I can move it. If I want to, let's say, move it to the side, I can. You know, see how flexible that is. Alright, awesome. So I'm going to start building it up. Oh, that one's a green one, sorry. It's hard to tell when they're also light colours. Awesome. As you can see, the colors are really unique. The shade is just stunning. Compared to if I was just use a normal pastel green Qualtex balloon, these show up a lot better on camera. As you can see, and in photos, they're awesome as well. I'll check in once this is all done. I just wanted to show you exactly how we attach them with the 260s. Alright guys, we're all done assembling our double stuffed balloon garlands. We've got the gorgeous blues leading into yellows and greens. This is really nice for a first birthday, or if you want some gorgeous pastels, something nice and light This is awesome. I'm going to go through with some vines. I also have these jungle leaves that I've added into the garland. They're really good to create detail, especially for paying clients. You always want to make sure everything is nice and full, and you've got a variety of sizes. In this garland, we've used 45 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and 5 inch. Right, guys, here's another little trick that I use when I'm finished my garlands. I'm at the event and I want them to really look nice and professional. I use balloon shine. This stuff is awesome. These balloons are about 2 weeks old. They're from my last video. And as you can see, when I put the shine on, they just look fantastic compared to the ones that don't. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through my garland and I'm gonna spray them over. This will give them a professional touch. I go over usually with a hand towel and rub it in to make sure I get all the sides. But guys, if you like these tips and tricks, like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you next time.